Number one, job. Congratulations, you are already going good. There are many people who don't have stable jobs, no matter whether you get low or high salary. The thing is that at least you started. That's the achievement. Number two, insurance. Listen. Before you skip this point, try to understand. Not everything will happen according to your choice. So, to better avoid something wrong, you need to make sure that you have insurance to protect your family and wealth. If you have insurance, well done. Number three, emergency fund. If you have emergency fund, well and good. But if you don't have, let me give you a quick overview. Let's say your monthly income is 30,000 rupees. So you can multiply it by 6, which will come around 1.8 lakh rupees. That is your emergency fund number. Number 4, savings. If you can save 2,000 rupees every month out of 20,000 salary, well done, buddy. I know many people who earns 1 lakh per month but they can't live with a single penny. Number 5, you spend less and earn more. If your expenses are 27,000 rupees per month and you earn 35,000 rupees per month, great going, brother. But by chance, if you don't do any of the above points, give me a few minutes, I will tell you. Getting back to the point. Number 6, investing. If you invest in stocks, mutual fund or any other, no matter whether you are just started, brave. That means you are serious about future. Number 7, no loan. If you don't have any loan, I appreciate your spending habits. But let me tell you one thing, that having debt is not bad, but yeah, taking bad debt is bad for you and it is seriously injurious for your wealth and health. Number 8, side income. If you earn money apart from your salary, that's great because having a multiple source of income is the sign of rich. Number 9, learn. If you follow all the points and you give yourself time to learn new skills regarding your career growth in the form of books, podcasts, courses regularly, great. Number 10, health. I truly believe everything is useless if you don't have health. If you can take at least 1 hour for walking, running, yoga, sports, or workout from your hectic life, that's impressive. Do you know? I'm sure 9 out of 10 people rarely have all these 10 signs. But if you have all the 10 signs, great. You are definitely going to be rich if you religiously follow throughout your life. And if you don't have any of the signs, start following our points and comment below how much sign do you have.